Wow, wow, what a match. What a match. What a statement made by Mamelodi Sundowns. Like, somehow this is one of the matches about I didn't expect with maybe they might have a comeback due to the fact that their coach is always saying with now fatigue it in. But today, especially at the end of the match, about they were just looking like the shoe shine type of Mamelodi Sundowns like before available. So yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns 3 and then Devon City one, and somehow Devon City was just leading the game. Somehow Devon City they were having many opportunities. Somehow Devon City decided to miss a penalty and missed a clear scoring goal inside of a penalty without no inside of a box without no pressure. So this was the game. Yes, Sundowns about which showed the mentality. This is the game where like a big team supposed to show a character. This is the game about where like you just need to show what's the when you are supposed to make a comeback available and you have more quality than another team and then the team they might go really and then that decided to pay box about you just need to show up and then destroy them for that destroy them for letting you go destroy them this was yeah man what a match I don't wanna lie so yeah, Devon City was playing against Mamelodi Sundowns today, and then there are some of the players that were being criticized a lot actually scored, and one of those players it is Metri Sabo, and I just want to say because I'm really happy for him. And then like a best striker with PSL, which is Ikram Reina Sabo, actually like scored right yet another goal. What I want to say, yet another goal. Yabo. Like at this point, I'm just tired of like lazy moto or one Reina Sabo because there's nobody also in the life somehow. Yabo. It's just like keep on doing it again and again and again and again and again. And already like on this season, the PSL about the boy has already contributed Boma 6 contributions winto league and that time they have played about like not about like they have actually played 8 matches about which is somehow met and also which is crazy with like a fatigue and stuff because they're just playing a game after a game after like they're just getting time to 2 days to rest or 3 days maximum about and they're just keeping on like showing up again and again sometimes about so yeah the match actually started today how I view the match is that okay the match actually started about and then yeah Devon City actually got that chance where balikoleka kanjani manje lakolila oh it was in corner and then babantu vele yabo but they crossed it somehow because like I was being distracted I thought ukuthi like the way lingene yakhona because everything was just so quick I thought ukuthi bakore like igoli likanto lika Neymar Junior lapha ukuthi like shot from the corner yabo lingene lapha because lithe malingene like from the bottom vele yabo ayingenanga like ibhola like elihediwe vele so lingene from the bottom and then I was like, oh, damn. So do they actually do that here in Zanzibar? But now I was just whining about they actually like by the way I'm head of Williams. And then Williams is always was just like sitting like this doing nothing. But as the match vied available, he actually like showed up Williams and made a save, really penalty. And then the second goal, and then Mamelodi Sundowns scored their first goal which was where one Allen yabo yellow shy ball and then I believe which like little that deflects somehow yabo and that is the character that is the mentality I'm actually speaking about go right out and then after that what was the third goal and then yeah the third goal I think it was yeah Metwis yabo and I just wanted to give like the boy he's like flowers with like a call revealed today because I feel like Metis and Pulemo from Kaizer Chiefs and Metis I feel like they're just facing like the same problem about Gucci. Maybe they contribute more on the match, but behlezi bashaw like final decision about and it was great seeing like a player like that, about which a player that is always being criticized by my friends, the Sundowns, available just because of like finishing, but they don't look at other factors or contribution, scoring. So that was just like beautiful from his side, and then he got another opportunity at the end of the match, and then yeah, uyenzele izwe actually vele yabo ukuthi uvela wena like naleyo bit lucky vele, because every time you are cheaper, but I think like somehow I feel like male I don't know, right? Because like the same type of opportunities that he got, and then it is the same type of opportunities that also Renas our Tola, and then also Renas our finish and somehow, and then with him, because I just look at the technique and it is good. It was good. Okay, before but I should anyway, but see that one, but I'm cheap, and then this was just like a save from keeper, and then allow to give like Hinton a credit available to keeper went away. What is this team? I'm actually forgetting about it. It is Devon City. I'm forgetting about this team because it's available. Like la winto we somehow. It was my I was secret to it was my respect back then. If I'm sure, but they changed their name somehow. Yeah, but I don't know if it is the same situation, just like Super Sport Neto. Name Nesiwele level, but I'm not sure about that. So yeah, that is what apparently happened. And then, yeah, I was also very happy today to actually see both of the boys available, Mapen and Litlako. And Litlako actually had a great game available. Litlako had a great game. Even Nalila assisted Lila. I think he gave assist to Urenas, if I'm not sure. And then another scoring opportunity, Velegan to who's this guy? Meto Isaili Avelo I missed abo. I think the ball came from him. And then also Umrembo there was a time abo yele like Osha like Intipali naye, which is hey, boogie free kick. I think yellow shepherd, yeah, I think yellow shepherd because this was a free kick, and then yeah, the boy like he's just like him. I believe at this point that you can't even like argue with who's the best of free kick taker here in Mzansi. So yeah, it was just a thing. And then also with Uban E, and then let's get to Devon City. Devon City had many opportunities to actually win this game, which is why I was like at the did I say that at the beginning of the video that ways this is a type of like a team which you want or Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi be like nalo character like ukuthi vele ibuya vele kuma games in them. But also I think it wasn't a day that was supposed to happen for them, because like Iteben City as a small team, Iteben City actually created some major like some major opportunities available to just finish the game, but they didn't decide to finish the game because always okay they scored the first goal, and then there was a time where I think by Peter Pasipol in the 18th area, and then that guy had his card like sock, and then I don't know how come like well, that was just a clear scoring up. I understand to okay always Santos could have a head more than 10 sure it's 10 shots on target, and then Boma 20 attempts available, and then like they dominated the whole like match. But also like when like a team like a small area to like opportunities awanga Boma 2 or 3 but they should have like capitalized. So it was that one, and then the guy it wasn't even like a shot. I don't know if I was supposed to even consider that as an attempt or whatsoever. The guy bamnikeza ibhola in the middle 18 area unesikhathi sonke Mokoena sekaleli. I think it was Mokoena and uSales besibalele vele koyi-2 yabona. The guy akashaya nama-player uyamista liya phezulu, and then also always after that they create another opportunity, they get a penalty. And then guess what? I was like, nah, but Shema's party, but I have to give also like credit to Reina as well about for actually saving that penalty. So yeah, level was save available Renas. And for me, I was like, nah, just Renas just need with Shema's party, because that was the also like the same thing that our teams we kept think Nigeria used that about we penalties were going AFCON available. So yeah, it was pretty much it. Bayekile opportunities amaningi, and from it himi which is actually struggling of a fatigue right now. I think like as a PSO we are not doing justice what like see finishes. It's kind of stop available. Maybe there's Sundowns, but with like the quality they have, even though I was saying which now they don't look that threatening, and I'm still saying that which they don't look that threatening available. But ngiyakhumbula available more quality quality class is permanent. And then also I'm really grateful to see the one and only Usela Umuta available. I was really happy to actually see him, so that's great. And then my man of the match, who would I give it to? Damn. Oh, I think I'm supposed to just give it to say because it actually had like a clean game after like angaqalanga penalty season yabo. That was great. Usabe Velenento. So I'm just gonna give him man of the match due to that. So yeah, that was how. So yeah, please make sure let's get 1K sub and sign up too. Thank you.